Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Avant credit card account from your computer. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Avant credit card, you can simply open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in www.avant.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this official web page. Go to the top right hand corner and click on the login. In the login area, go ahead and type in your user ID in the first text box. Soon after you do that, you'll need to enter your password associated with your credit card account. In case you don't remember your password, click on Don't Remember Your Password link and follow the instructions in order to look for your password. After entering your credentials, click the login button in blue and you'll be able to log into your Avant credit card account. After logging into your account, you can manage your account on the go, right from your computer or your mobile devices whenever you have an internet access. That is how you can easily log into your Avant credit card account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.